Welcome to a new video now. I hope like everyone or many of us would be having one or the other Android TV around us. And when you happen to like switch on your TV, how many of you have faced this trouble? So now I have already switched on my TV. See how it works and do wait for the TV to boot up and let me know if you are able to boot directly to your TV. The actual purpose of buying this home appliances in the first place, are you able to directly go to the TV view and see how it works for me? So Android TV boot screen animation has completed now, and yeah, you should be able to see there is one circling icon that's happening. Let me reduce the volume. So what happened is it directly like opened the TV view. I think that is not the surprising element here. Let us wait for a minute and you will see a pop-up banner that is appearing, and the special item here is I don't think that has worked. Let's wait for a minute then. Yes, this is where the magic happens. So now as you can see, I'm not using any set-top box remote or any new or separate remote. This is just a normal MI TV's remote, and if I can just like seek or the press the up and down buttons, you can see the channel gets switched. So few of the viewers watching this should be familiar with this particular IR remote control USB dongle or USB hardware that is sold as a separate accessory for this MITV. But again, the challenge or main problem faced by majority of people would be to boot to this application directly. So in my home, what I have done is I have made sure to make use of a single remote to be able to watch the TV without going into a lot of screens or without making it so tedious to like operate it in the first place. So if I have to like manually go to or navigate to any particular channel, then what I can do is I can just press this right button, which gives me the numeric button tray. And with this, if I say enter some random channels like say ninth channel and click go, you can see the 9 channel gets switched using the IR remote control dongle and the channel switcher. So I will be able to like navigate, access like all the TV functionalities in the same remote. The I don't have to search for set-top box application in order for me to watch TV, and also it enables me to switch the sources at a more convenient ease without even going to a Android launcher, because Android launcher, so maybe now I'll show you, like I'm trying to go back to the home, that is Android launcher. So you should see the moment from when I pressed that home button, it takes almost 3 4 5, almost, yeah, 5 seconds for me to get to the home page. And this is not very like a seamless experience. Just to say switch input or do something, say open an application. And also, as you know, the MITV comes with very minimal set of shortcuts, right? So that's again another problem. So due to that, this how I had done, I'm going to show you. So now let me just go to the apps tray, where you can see the list of apps I have installed. So I have installed a couple of file explorers, and alongside what I have done here, yes, now I remember. So I cannot open that application directly because it does not support the Android TV view. So I have installed this MacroDroid application that works perfectly in phones in this TV. So being an Android TV, what it lets me do is it lets me create a number of scripts. But again, the navigation around this is little cumbersome and it is not so easy. So maybe if you can just read the text that is given. What I have done is I have mentioned the trigger as device boot. Then I have given a set of actions and constraint as none. So as you can see, maybe I'll just go to inside that script. So I mean, this doesn't work for MA TVs, unfortunately. The volume we cannot like automate. But what I have done is I have automated opening that Sensara TV. Okay, so how the entire magic happens is we have this TV Guide application that was bundled as part of this IR remote control accessory. I've just forced the TV to automatically boot to this app. So when once the app is like opened, right, you get access to all of these functionalities, which lets you like access the TV functionalities through the same remote, one remote. And even for this fact, you can make use of all these functionalities from even your device controls option through your mobile phone, Android phone, or there'll be an application called Google TV in your phone. So through that you can make use of that, and that offers a lot more convenience. Because at my home what happens is my mother, who's not very friendly with this MI remote, she prefers to use the STB set top box remote, and she usually like keeps it in the kitchen or wherever she likes to watch TV from. But whereas when I am trying to use it, right, I like typically wouldn't prefer to like search for that remote or go behind it. I'll just use this one remote. And also another main thing is, whenever we open the TV, it automatically launches into this STB option. And another beautiful thing or an advantage what we have is we can even control the set-top box or the, like toggle power. That is, you can turn off the set-top box. You can see a pop-up appearing power off, power on. Now you can see News Tamil channel. That is the first usual like default page or channel that is opening up. So that is again a very convenient feature. So going back to that view, let me just open how I had done it. So yeah, so this launch Sensara TV, my TV, I have given it as a force new option. I had done a lot more things, but like that were not much like necessary. That is all very optional. So this trigger, red color trigger, you'll have to make sure you are setting it as a boot. Maybe if I can showcase it, right, you can yeah. And also another life hack here is I have a computer setup also connected with the same TV. So occasionally when we want to use this like setup for browsing, or say to use a computer, normal computer, in those times we like use this keyboard mouse for doing that. And as part of that we have a USB keyboard mouse, wireless keyboard mouse. So to do all these settings, what I had done is I had plugged this USB keyboard mouse into the Android TV's USB socket, so that I was able to configure all of these options through this USB and USB keyboard and mouse, so that fiddling around all these options was a lot easier. So for example, this device boot with the mouse, we would have it would have been possible for me to just scroll and get to this option in a similar way. To even like say for example, this is how it will ask you to, like for example, you will be like selecting an application, right? It will ask you to select the list of applications, and here with this remote navigating to the app is little bit difficult, but though it is like possible actually, but still it is a lot more convenient to set it up for the first time. And in addition, I had also like done some other customization, so maybe I'll post it as another video. So in the mi remote app, maybe when you can see this remote, right? So I do not use this me or mi home screen. I only use the Android home like screen. So what I had done is, I'll just show you. So now I'm in some other application. When I press this mi application, right, it redirects me to this YouTube application. So yeah, how cool is that? Maybe I'll post another video if like that gathers some interest. Yeah, maybe for all of the Android TVs, this is completely possible, and I'm sure many of the people might be like finding it difficult to configure watching TV in any Android TV. So I hope this video is of some help. Then yeah, I think that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching.